ASEAN leaders! ASEAN leaders! Climate justice! ASEAN leaders! Climate justice! Climate justice! Solusyon para sa just transition sa panahon sa climate justice! Climate justice! Kadua, dapat ipadayon niya ang pagpulso. Right now, we are having a crisis. This crisis must be dealt with. What crisis is this? This is the climate crisis that should be taken consideration into. We will symbolically hang a streamer calling for just transition. A serious just transition to avert the climate crisis. Well, we would want the ASEAN leaders to ensure a real just transition.